Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week and ready for a cracking weekend. What's the plan? What are you doing? Let me know in the comment down below. So today, that's the little bad boy that you're going to have is a page designed from my this month VIP lounge papers from one of the French packs, and it's a lovely background full of Parisian inspired elements, and then of course it wouldn't be me without my butterflies. So it's full of butterflies. So let me show you the VIP papers where this freebie has been designed from. Okay, the first kit is called Tools from the Past. So there are basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different backgrounds. So I have used the same floral backgrounds for each individual one of them. Just put some flowers on top. So we got a radio and a camera, very vintagey. You know, if you do journaling, and I left a plain page specifically if you guys do journaling with that. At least you got a blank plain page that you can print several times if you need some plain pages. There is a cafetiere and a clock. It's a telephone. Do you remember with the one that you had to, no, this way, and a disc player and a TV and a very vintagey cinema film strip player. Love them. So this is very vintagey for everybody that likes a bit of shabby, a bit of romantic, that sort of vintage vibe. Kit number two is for glitz. No, so these I've done last year. I don't remember which month. I've done a kit with diamonds and lots of rings and things. So your feedback were great. So you asked for some more. So I create another kit full of diamonds. Look at that. So you've got lots of different diamonds. So this one here, you make 2 pillow boxes. Okay, so that's that and that's that. I have printed on a thick cardstock. I mean, if I drop them, literally they are undestroyable, so you can't not destroy them. Very thick. So this is one, and I'm going to do a separate video on how we decorate it because I have a die cut on a sort of diamond shape that we can do something with. So that's what the 2 pillow boxes look like. So you've got a full background, you've got some embellishments. So these were a very princessy embellishment. So this kit is called Glam Princess. You got a piano, some jewelries, a teapot, what else is in there? There's another fan, there's a bathtub, it's the shoes, more fans. Beautiful. The color palette for this kit is purple and silver, so you see everything matches. And then the last page is a gift box. It's a milk carton gift box that when you do it up, it looks like this. Okay, so the 4 squares are the 4 squares there. These elements here are the bases. The 2 triangles are basically the triangles that when you fold them inwards, and then the little strip on top is where you close it. I like to do these gift boxes a lot because they are quite cute and unusual, and also you can glue them down or you can put a peg so the person that will receive the little box can reuse a separate time. But yeah, love. Look at that, so pretty. So, but we'll do another video on how to decorate them. Okay, kit number 3 is called From Paris with Love, because there are, put it this way, so there's 4 pages. So you've got 1 background full of Parisian style deco. It's a full page where you can create a secretary pocket. So we do a separate video on this, but basically you fussy cut them. You can use this as a large tag and you slide them things in, or you can fold it in a half and you've got a matching pocket. There's another background. Look at that, super cute. And I don't know if you can see it, there's some glittery paper there. And then, yeah, very romantic, very French inspired. And then another background where you got the Eiffel Tower, some stamps, and some more floral. And then another page with, so it's 5 pages. I don't know what I said for. Yeah, it's 5 pages, 1, 2, 3, 4. With 2 envelopes, 2 rectangular envelopes and a large envelope. So this kit, I designed it if you guys do like journaling, travel journal, that will be quite cute because you've got a couple of backgrounds, you've got some pockets that you can either slice your Polaroid. So we can either do like some Polaroid, so many ideas. And then the last but not least, every month as a little treat, I gifting you a letter gift box. Okay, so this month is the letter B. Okay, so this is the instructions, and I have printed mine on a thicker cardstock, so I will show you in just a second what it looks like when it's done up. So this month is all about leopard print or like animal related. The color palette is the same, and also on the second page, so this will be the reverse, but I'll show you in just a second. And this page here is an additional page where you can create anything like cards or just like a little background. But let me show you what it looks like, but also let me show you last month letter A. So this is what the letters B looks like, all nice and done up, super cute, still wet. And this is letter A from last month. Okay, so we got letter A and letter B, and every month every letter will be in a different style. So we got some floral butterfly with some leopard print or animal theme. Letter C, I can't tell you, but it's very artistic. Okay, I'll give you a little hint. Okay guys, hope you enjoy and have fun making them and collecting them as well. I just noticed actually blend with the mix with the gift box. It's all blend together because it's a similar color palette. Right, so if you wish to join my VIP babies and make this little box, there is a template, of course. I'll show you how to make the box, and there is a video as well. It's a private, it's on my channel, so I'll show you how to put it all together. Let me show you where to join. Okay guys, so this is my website. When you click on VIP Lounge, this is the screen that will appear. So it says choose your monthly membership plan. As a VIP member, you get super spoiled. Join today for special treat. I have 3 monthly subscriptions and the yearly membership. So it's completely up to you. You can pay monthly or you can just pay one off that will last for 12 months. On the monthly basis, we have the pink butterfly, the blue butterfly and the gold butterfly. With the pink butterfly, you will get 10% discount across all digital papers on my website, 1 mini, which is a 4 pages digital paper pack, and a monthly special offer or a gift. With the blue butterfly, which is £4 a month, you will get 20% discount across all digital papers on the website, 2 minis, which is 4 pages each, digital papers, and then a monthly special offer and gift. With the £5 one, which is the gold butterfly, which is the premium one, you get everything. You get 30% discount across all digital papers. You have all the 3 4 pages digital paper packs. All the paper packs are designed specifically for the VIP members. They're not available for everybody else on the website. A monthly offer, and also 1 A5 size fine art print delivered to your home address, and a special video with project and tutorial. Okay. With the 12 months one, which is the £45, you just pay upfront. It will last 12 months and it's the same benefit as the gold butterfly. So when you join the gold butterfly, I say here is 1 A5 size fine art print delivered. Basically, as it's one of those ones. So the Idea Fairy or the Muse of Poetry, they are printed on watercolor paper and then get shipped to your home address for free, because I offer complimentary delivery for all my VIP members. Okay, so it's up to you guys. So you've got 3 different memberships, monthly or a yearly one. Okay guys, how do you get this freebie? In case you're new to my channel, this freebie gets sent out at 9 p.m. British time to my newsletter. I will put here on the screen what it looks like. There is a videos of the week, papers of the week. There is also a cheeky discount code that you guys can use to treat yourself, and why not? And yeah, it's a really fun email. Sometimes I send 2 emails on a Wednesday. It depends if I have something to tell you. But yeah, no, it's a very nice interactive email. I know how much you guys enjoy this, but also join my Facebook group, and the link will be down below. When you join my Facebook group, you can see a catalog of my previous freebie. It's about 300 now. It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger every week. So join my Facebook group and you will get all the freebies that I have shared recently. Okay, so I will appreciate if you join the VIP lounge. I will see you there, and follow the links, and everything is listed down below. That's it guys, I'm going to go. Thank you so much for watching. Big thumbs up if you like my freebies, because you're telling YouTube that you like my content, and it really much appreciated. Have a wonderful crafted weekend. Stay safe, and until next Monday, look after yourself and have fun. Lots of love from me and Jamie. Take care, and I'll see you next week. Mwah. Bye.